Hi, my name is Lacey. Welcome to my channel. I am a no-niche creative using weekly themes to declutter my supplies and my living space. And this week is Moon Phases Week. So we are making the phases of the moon from a potato. This is a reductive block print stamp carving. You saw earlier I used a can to get that perfect circle. I'm using acrylic paint, but tempera paint would work as well. You will need a paring knife to carefully carve the phases of the moon from the potato. This is a kid-friendly project aside from that step. I am printing onto vinyl. You can print onto paper. Scrapbook paper can work. So once you've printed the full moon, I recommend printing on as many surfaces as you want because we are cutting away. Now I've used a quarter to get that curved shape, and we are going to the next phase of the moon. This is a reductive print and we are cutting away, but it is very low stakes because it is just a potato. It is not a block print. It is not a linoleum print. We have not invested hours. Sometimes a piece will break off as you're printing, or you might slip as you're carving. It's not a big deal. Just cut that part down or start over with a new potato. So keep all that in mind right now because the last phase is the hardest phase to cut. I'm using white paint on a dark surface. The opposite would also work. Maybe you want to do colorful moon phases. I think it would work in a lot of different surfaces. You're into junk journaling, jelly plate printing. And I'm going to turn this one into a pennant. It's vinyl on the front and cork on the back, and it's just attached with an O-ring. I made a ton of prints while making this video, so hopefully I'll have another video and you can see what else I made. Thanks.